Just a little more on this side. Yay! I finally mastered the iron scrubber technique.
Wow, can you teach me how to paint that way?
Me too. Me too.
Sure thing. Watch and learn.
Go, Sammy!
Wait. How did I do it before? This is so embarrassing. Hold on a second. Just come to my painting workshop later.
Sure, we'll be there.
Oh, Tibidaba, what have I gotten myself into?
Sammy, I'm home! What's going on here? Hello?
Hey, you think you can cut in line? Didn't your mama teach you right? Hey, that's my place.
I don't remember you standing here.
Fine.
Yeah, I know. I'm one of a kind. This workshop will be amazing. Sue, what are you doing? Come with me!
Sammy, what's going on?
I promised this toy's a workshop, but I can't paint in front of a crowd. Ooh, I can't even hold the brush right. What do I do, Sue?
I see. Someone has stage fright, huh? It's okay. I'll help you, but I'll need art supplies.
Say no more.
Whoa! This is so cool! Am I dreaming? Somebody pinch me! Ouch! Ken, I was kidding! Sorry. Where is Sam? The workshop has already started.
Hey, guys! We'll get started soon, I promise.
We want Sam! Sammy! Sammy! Sammy!
Sammy's here! Sheesh, this thing is heavy!
Okay, crisis averted. Let's begin.
Yeah! Let's rock, fellow artist! Let's go!
That's a great spirit. But could you hand me paints?
Paints? Oh, my Tibidaba! I forgot the paint! Do you have any paints, guys? No? You came to a painting class and didn't bring anything?
I brought some, actually. Here you go.
Oh, thanks, buddy! That's just what we need. And this is for your help.
He called me buddy. Did you hear that? I'm his buddy.
There you go, Sue.
Uh-huh. So, let's start by applying the paint to the canvas. And white will be first.
Unless you're trying to paint snow against white clouds, mix it up.
Right. We can't paint a clear sky without blue paint, can we? Sammy, we're still short on paint. I want to be Sam's buddy, too. Here, you can make paint out of these flowers. That's a great idea. Wow, we made so many colors.
Thank you. Here you go, friend.
What?
Did you hear that? I'm his friend. Maybe even his best friend. This is where we'll have the grass. So I'll apply some dark green paint, like this.
I think we need a lighter shade over here. Right here. The work of a true pro.
That's for sure. Now, let's add a little bit of turquoise. It'll create more depth.
And Sue, isn't there supposed to be a walkway?
You are right, but we don't have the right color. Oh, I think I have an idea. I hope Sammy doesn't mind.
Oh no, my candy stash! At least she didn't steal it all.
Come on, I only took one. Don't be greedy.
Actually, you can't just take my candy without asking.
You are right. I'm sorry, Sammy. But like I said, I can't help you with the workshop without art supplies. There, see? Your candy made a perfect paint. Now this is much better.
All right, Sue. Since we don't have a paintbrush either, I'm ready to take its place.
Is he really gonna do that?
You sure you're ready for this?
I was born ready.
Wait! Here, I brought you a paintbrush.
Oh, hail Tibidabo. I don't have to do this. Buddy, you are a true friend indeed.
That's right. Thank you so much.
Now we know exactly who his best friend is. What?
Seriously?
Guys, let's return to our painting. Look, now we need to brush the paint gently, like this. Sammy, do you want to give it a try? Your stage fright has probably passed by now.
Oh, sure thing. I even have a paintbrush here. Come on, Sammy. You can do this.
You can do it, Sammy. You are the best.
Yeah, go, buddy.
Hey, he's my best friend.
Go, Sammy! Go, Sammy! Sammy is the best artist ever!
I said he's my friend.
Nuh-uh. See the poster? Only real friends make those.
Yeah, I can do that. Easy peasy. Shiver me chatters. I have to keep painting. I don't feel so well.
Oh, no!
Oh, poor thing. Don't worry. That's what I'm here for.
Oh, Susie, what would I do without you? You are my best friend in the whole world.
Oh, Sammy, you are my best friend too.
What? Did you hear that?
I've been practicing this technique for years. Be careful with that thing, Susie.
I'll do my best. I promise.
You did a great job with that. But something is still missing. And that something is the dark colors. Here you go. I've got you covered.
Sammy, you're a genius. This is working out really well. The painting doesn't seem flat anymore. Good thinking, Sam.
Guys, like this video if you love to draw as much as we do. This one? No. How about this one? Oh, there are so many of them.
What are you doing back there?
I'm trying to pick out the brush for painting trees. Oh, this one's perfect.
All right, let's add some trees here and there.
Oh, that's so cool.
Huh? I thought there were more people.
So, any ideas on how we can be Sam's best friends?
I know. We need to outdo Sue.
Yes! We'll be a million, quadrillion, thousand times better than Sue. And then Sam will want to be our friend.
Right.
Why are we laughing?
Uh-oh!
Run!
For the trees on the back, it's better to use the lighter shade. And for some teeny tiny branches too. For the next step, we need to dry this layer of paint. Come on, get dry.
Step aside, Sue. I will use my great-grandpa Samuel's McFly III's secret life hack. Now see why his name was McFlight.
Sammy? Oh no! What do we do now? Sam's best friends to the rescue! This hairdryer will do the job in no time. That's great, guys. Thank you.
I'll never test Grandpa's hacks ever again. Oh! Wow! Did you use a hairdryer for the painting? You're a genius!
Creative problems require creative solutions. But it was our idea.
Aww.
Now it's time to draw the flowers. How do you usually draw them, Sammy?
I don't draw them. They bloom on their own. All you have to do is do the flower dance. Like this. Whoops. My magic didn't work. Sorry, you're on your own, Sue.
In that case, I'm gonna use that thing of yours.
By all means, help yourself.
Whoa, that worked even better than I expected. Look at that, Sammy. Do you want to try?
Sure, I'm an artist after all. Oh no, everybody's watching. I think that should be enough. And I gotta go now.
There he goes again. What am I going to do with him? What would help him with stage fright? Oh, I know. Sammy, come here.
Okay. What is it? Why did you... Hey, I can't see anything.
Here, try painting now.
If I could see what I'm doing, it would be a lot easier, you know? Wow! What? Wait a second. I'm not scared at all. Yay! Awesome!
Now, let's try it without this.
Oh, you sure?
You are doing it! So great!
That's right! I'm not afraid anymore! Sue, you've outdone yourself again. Thank you!
Big deal.
Yeah. It's great that you've conquered stage fright, Sammy. Do you think you can draw a few thin branches now?
No problem. Step aside. Nah, this paintbrush is too big. This one is no good either. I had the right one somewhere.
Sammy, we already have what you need. Wow, you are so creative. I knew I could count on you guys.
Sue, your genius never ceases to amaze me.
Oh, come on. Again? Oh.
Now, let's add highlights to the trees to make them stand out.
We're at the final stages. What else do you think we need to add to our picture? What's your opinion?
A bird! No, an airplane. No. A man!
Kitty! No. How about a dog?
You heard them, Sue. The crowd wants a man with a dog.
Ah, good choice.
Sue, there's a shadow missing. Don't forget to add it.
Sure.
Let me through. I want to take a better look. Oh, wow. Aw, that came out so cool. The doggy's so cute.
Wow, amazing!
That came out great indeed. Let's take a closer look all together.
I think that was a great workshop.
That's for sure.
Our mission friendship failed.
Yeah,
Guys, where are you going?
we wanted to be your best friends, but it seems like you already have one.
But you can't have too many friends, right, Sue?
Aren't you guys each other's best friends?
Huh? Are we?
We are best friends. Yay!
Don't forget to like this video. See you soon, everyone.
And subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our new videos. See you around!